Batile mani sorry danketu enatali enato Jesu. So here is my Farina monthly shopping. So guys, I'm back. We are back. Can you see? Can you see? Nigerian food, Italian food, African food, every is here. So guys, I'm back. I bought every, but I forgot. I wanted to buy 2 cartons of Indomie. Now Bibiales is crying. I want Indomie. I forgot Indomie. That is the only thing I forgot. So over here, let me start from here. African things, because I first went to African. Here I bought this milk, this oil, red oil, and cheese, bakery. And this one, golden more. Over here I have a gari. I bought also gari. Here I have a apple, yam, plantain. Over here I have a present rice. I have a warmer rice, but I want present rice for white rice and the fried rice. So over here I bought this semo because my children they had that like a black semo. This one that daddy is eating. Then over here, this is the Italian things. 4 cartons of juice, milk, tea, orange. Then here, voila! So over here I have my egg, meat for their night food, prosciutto, salsiccia, hot dog, tonno, pasta, bread, olive oil, groundnut oil. Then this is my so that is see my over here I have Pandoro, wine, chocolates. So guys, so I will start packing now. Let's pack. But guys, I spent both African things and the Italian food. I spent almost, let me say, 390. 90, see, 390. And they gave me also in Italian market. They gave me also bono. They call it bono, almost 40 euro for next time. I did not spend the whole money. So over here I have like 100 and something euro over here with this bono 40 euro. So that is it. I try. I try. Let's impact. So let me start from where I will start now. Okay, so guys, I'm forgetting this. They gave me also gifts for baby Alex. Can you see? Deco this year is red color, as if they know. Okay, let's see. Okwa Tupac Wolu. Hey, Okwa Park Wolu the ever. So I will start from this one. My tone. Okay. Get help where my air do the not in a fridge, you know. Hey, so my potato chips. Oops. You see, like you can see, I bought a small bread. I don't want too much bread. Because so much and attach the bread bring them on. So here I have my oil, my condish, tono, salsiccia, for condish. Oh, to commit another. This is a result of my children, and if I'm not around, they can cook this one. They like it so. Take. So here is my farina. Batile mani sorry danketu enatali enato Jesu. So guys, I'm so tired, you know. So Chidima will handle our Miranda thing for breakfast. Chidima know how to do it very well. So thanks for watching till now. I hope you like this vlog. Please like, write your comments, you know, monthly shopping and Christmas shopping. And see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.